Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag question for practice part 15. S.S.C. Barishal Board 2020. Optimism is a great quality. Optimism is a great quality, isn't it? Everybody believes this truth. Everybody believes this truth, don't he? But all cannot be optimistic. But all cannot be optimistic, can they? None but the optimists are accepted by all. None but the optimists are accepted by all, are they? So we all should be optimistic about life. So we all should be optimistic about life, shouldn't we? Like, share and subscribe, please. Learn with Jahangir Sir. Thanks for watching. Till today. Jahangir Alam, teacher, UCEP, Bangladesh.